Has that shifty baker given you a spelt loaf again when he knew damn well that your bread was made of wheat? Are you tired of getting your neighbor's bread instead of your own? Is community baking making you wish that you had your own fixed or portable hearth? Fear not, carissima. Your bread woes are officially over with the Signaculum 79! Stamp your bread and eat it too. With the Signaculum 79, you can tell that baker and your nosy neighbor which loaf of bread is yours before it even goes into the oven. That's right, the Signaculum 79 stamps and presses, labels and stresses to every Roman from Pompeii to Pergamon that this is your bloody loaf of bread and to get their sweaty hands off of it. The Signaculum 79! Cast in the empire's best smithies, this fashionable instrumentum domesticum comes in two stunning varieties, one with a knob handle to store in your pantry, and one to wear around your neck if you're headed out on campaign. Don't delay, carissima. Be the first in your insula to own a Signaculum 79 today, and tell that pesky pistor where to stick his loaf of spelt. The Signaculum 79! On sale in the Michelum right now while supplies last. Orders placed before December 10th should make it under the tree on time for Christmas, Hanukkah, and Festivus for the rest of us. Batteries not included, as batteries haven't been invented yet, you nincompoop.